What's going, guys? 307 here, Brent. I got your 8-pill box fixed, 8 new C's, some new caps. Running at 14.5. We're going to use the 2290 bench driver, Cobra 29. I'll show you pass-through tune, 5-watt slug, audio. Doesn't move. What we're putting in, 2-watt dead key, audio about 40 watts. Turn the 2-pill driver on. Dead key and 8 watts. Audio 220 peak going in. Input tune with both boxes on. Audio about 1/4 of a watt. Show you output. Audio test 307 audio. It's right around 1500 peak with two 2290s driving it. Alrighty, sir, I'll get the lids on it. I just didn't want to show who it was. Don't want to start anything. But anyway, thanks. Appreciate the business, guys. Please like and subscribe.